Alright guys, welcome down here to AUTOCRAZE'S. We welcomed you 2022. It's gonna be massive. I'm freezing my nuts off. It's currently about 5 degrees here in Sydney, Australia. The only reason why I'm freezing my nuts off because I'm wearing the mother function shirts. As you can clearly see over here, you can get one of these. I've got all sizes, small, medium, large, extra large, and even if you're you can even get your size 2. We've got them. Click the link below. You can get them here today. We'll send them out to you anywhere in Australia. Even if you're overseas, if you're a big fan and follow us, massive shout out to the 121,000 subscribers we've got and the 26 million views that we've received. Now we promised to you guys we're going to give you better and bigger content. This time we didn't go too big. We went very Jimny. Yeah? So what we've done is we've done lift, wheels, tyres. We've also done the Hamer bar with the Ignite light bar and a tough dog lift. And we also, just to finish it off, we also tinted this thing. So guys, check out how bad this Jimny is. He won't be able to sleep tonight. He's so pumped, bro. He called us legends. Check that out.
I get a bit nervous with the camera on me, but just so you know, like I don't know, like I hate pictures of myself and stuff. It's weird.
You're a good looking bloke, bro.
I wish I had your hair, but man.
Huh? I'll give you some.
Man, I'm so pumped.
Are you?
You telling me everyone was looking at it and shit like last night, I was like,
You ready?
Ready.
Come here, little man.
You ready? You wanna come? So, bought the Jimny. There was a 6-month wait on it, so I had plenty of time to find someone to do all the work. Went through 5, 6 different people. No one would do what I wanted them to do. No one had the balls to do it. Everyone sort of played it off as a stand-in package. This is what we do. Came in. Not only did you say you'd do it, but he was excited about doing it, which got me more pumped. I was excited. I got bad OCDs. All night Googling, all worried, man, is he gonna screw it up? As soon as I met him, how excited he was, at ease. Not only at ease, excited. That's why, even before you worked on it.
When I called you yesterday, what did I say to you?
I'll buy it off you. I'll give you money right now, I'll transfer it. I could have made money on it.
Straight up, he could have made 15 grand yesterday, but he's like,
too excited to get it. I want to give it to my son in 18 years.
it's gonna be yours. No?
Nah, he's excited. Wait till he sees it. Right. He's shy.
Right, so we're gonna do the final reveal. I don't know. Hey, pumped?
Pumped, bro. Almost nervous. Like almost like
For real?
almost too excited. I'm like, oh.
Yeah?
Yeah. Also because the camera's on me, but mostly because of the car, man. Fucking hell! How big is it, Corinne? It's taller than me. My only fear is I'm gonna look too small in it, getting in and out. Like, I should have asked you to put a side step so I don't struggle. That's exceeded what I thought in my head it would look like, Moe.
Honestly, right? It did
Brother.
nothing too, bro. Straight the
The fact it's better than what I thought is like, it puts me in, man. It's almost too nice to drive. Like, I just want to leave it in a showroom or something. Please, man, Corinne.
The wheels look so good.
Fucking hell, man. What I had in my head and what it is, better. Bro, you are a legend. Man, those wheels. Moe, man, I don't know what to say to you.
Hey, you, come here. There, you, come here.
Thank you, man. Like, honestly, like, there's a lot of months of worrying and it's like...
That's alright. You like it?
And then I came in, you let me hold the rims, and they were super light as well. I was so worried I was going to be too heavy.
Rhino, rotary forged, nitto ridge grapplers, tough dog, 80mm lift, on the Hamer bar.
Love it, bro. You know, I said to Corinne, Will he have a sticker he'll let me put on the back so people know who did the work?
100%, bro. And
I asked her, I said, oh.
Even if the sticker comes off, bro, it doesn't matter. I reckon we're gonna get about 10,000 views on this YouTube.
And I said to you, oh, do you reckon just the bar, no squares? You said, nah, 100% put the squares on, it looks sick.
You know how bright those fog lights are?
Yeah.
Bro, this thing is mental.
I'm gonna get so many pics and put them up, man. Thank me, I love it. Thank you guys.
Very welcome, bro.
I don't know why you go anywhere else. Like, honestly, everyone else will go, nah, we'll only do 40, we only do this, we only do that. They can't be bothered, don't have time, or like, man, I love it. What do you reckon, Case?